my name is Kritika and I am from Noida, and I have opted for digital marketing course from Digital Vidya because I wanted to upskill as I am from the marketing and sales field. So I thought that this is a very good option for me, and was recommended by many seniors and many of my colleagues as well. I was searching for many institutes, and I came across many institutes at that time, and I was very curious to know about this course. So I was hopping on various websites. Then one of my colleague also guided me that I should go for Digital Vidya because one of his cousin has done this course from Digital Vidya itself. And he told me that the trainers over here, the coordinators over here, all are very well organized and very well trained. So that was the reason why I opted Digital Vidya. Overall journey with Digital Vidya was very good and very great.